Hello everybody, welcome back to Ratchet&Clank 2, Part 2. Part 2's. I'm on planet Uzla right now. Okay, I'll change the settings real quick. The camera settings, up and down, yeah, better based. That's better. I hate when the games have that. Sorry if it's really dark. This planet is really dark. Yeah, that was that I hate. Kind of spit on you. Or throw up. I'll demonstrate right here. Yeah, throw up. God. I'm not gonna die tonight. One more hit, I'm dead. Unless I can get nanotech or to upgrade my health. That orange bar up there, right under my health, that's the nanotech bar. Or the level up bar. On my complete save file, my other account has all of it, like all the health. And there's even more than this. Like, it looks like you can only hold like 4 of them, maybe. 4 like completed bars. Nope, you can hold like 7.
Your maximum habitat has increased. Defeat more enemies to increase it further.
Just as the help. Just as the help thing said. Kill more enemies to increase your nanotech. Yeah, this is my favorite game of all time. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's one of the first PS2 games, or it's one of the first, PS2 platform games. Action platform games. Come on, lizard. I don't know what these things are called, but when I hit them, they sound like metal. Like this sound. Yeah. On. Why is this game so weird? No, we're on different planets, but still. Oh yeah, the Venus flytraps. Stand on for too long, they'll eat you. I won't demonstrate it, but you get the point.
Welcome. If everyone could take their seats, we can proceed with today's demonstration. First, I'll need a volunteer. Anyone? Excellent. Your name, sir? Ratchet. And there you have it. The Megacorp tractor beam in action. Let's give it up for our volunteer. Sir, how about taking advantage of our show special?
Megacorp sucks.
Thank you, sir. You won't be disappointed.
The tractor beam moves small and medium-sized objects which have glowing orange targets like weeds. Press circle to move those columns so you can scale the cliff.
Just as the help that said. Press circle against these objects that have this icon on it, and you'll see why I'm doing this. Collectible. It's titanium? Platinum or titanium? Platinum, bro. Yeah, platinum. Next game in the series is titanium. I love the tractor beam. It's my, like, third favorite gadget in this game. My favorite weapon in this game is the decoy glove, because you can glitch games so badly with it. I kind of beat the game in like 4 hours with it. You get it pretty early on, so.
To go to a new planet, you'll have to find new coordinates on this planet first.
This is the Megacorp vendor. You can buy guns here, buy ammo, and yeah, I don't have enough to get the chopper and blitz gun, so yeah, these are called the gravity bomb and the lancer. So, or the weapons I already have and all that. I'm bad at explaining things. If you can see right there on my, or right next to my health bar, right next to my health bar, you can see my ammo bar, or my ammo, and under that is an orange bar that has my weapon upgrade meter. I'm bad at commentaries. You haven't seen that by now. Oh, that guy just got eaten. God, why is there some... I can totally save that guy. Oh. I think he always dies, like... Almost to what? What? I played this game many times, and I've never seen that before. I played this game about 20 times, beating it every time because it's so easy, at least in my opinion.
Press triangle to interrupt messages. Pause and select options to disable them permanently.
Yeah, I'm not disabling them. Because you guys need to hear it. Played this game already, and I beat it. You know. God, I hate these fly things. So annoying. Oh yeah, this thing. I call it the Leviathan. It's even a little... I just call it dude. This is dude. Yeah, the strategy to that. Yeah, so he was already done. So easy it is. The strategy to that was just to dodge his attacks and keep shooting him in the face. Or the eye. He doesn't actually have a face. Is that another one? Yes, it is. Another gadget. Go gadgets.
A dynamo activates machinery. Press circle to use the dynamo to zap that activator.
I don't have to give any tutorials in this game. It's like strategies and things like that. But yeah, dynamo, press circle on one of these things, and it creates green stuff. It creates Shrek.
Thank you for choosing Megacorp, where our customers come first.
It's weird. My brother was saying, like, Dad, Dalton was saying that the music in here sounds like the world map theme from Kingdom Hearts. It's nothing alike. Like, sort of.
To center the camera, tap L1.
I'm not tapping that one. This is what L1 does. It's going to first person. Sadly, you can't move around in first person, but... well, not yet, at least. There it goes. Just upgrade my health again. Okay. God, that scared me right there. Oh God.
Megacorp reserves the right to service to anyone.
No, it's not yet. Yeah, I can't get up there yet. Let's see. That's... no, yeah, that leads into there. There we go. So, yeah. I have to go towards the question mark. Yeah, it's so confusing. Okay.
Ratchet, come in. Are you there?
Copy, Mr. Fizzwidget.
Listen, I have some new information on our experiment's wherewithal. The thief was indemnified at Megacorp's Mactar Resort. Also, the thugs have towed a moon-sized jamming array into Mactar Resort orbit.
Should I take it out?
A formulous. It's discombobulating our annual Galactic Gladiators broadcast. See for yourself.
Ask yourself, are you man enough, hero enough, insane enough to step into the ring with two of the fiercest warriors in the galaxy? If you answered yes, you're a big, fat liar.
I'm not
That's
lying.
okay, because Megacorp is bringing Galactic Gladiators into your home for a special Mega View event. First, it's survival of the fittest in our bio competition. Be there as Chainblade. Chainblade unleashes his fury on our gladiator guest contestants. Chainblade has gone undefeated in 500 straight matches. But if the bio division doesn't do it for you, our robotics division will. Taste the adrenaline as contestants face off against our four-armed bandit, the B2 Brawler. Brawler. No living creature is a match for this machine. Watch 6 tons of Carbonox alloy hunt for its prey. There's no consolation prize, cause this bad boy's programmed to show no mercy. So, what are you waiting for? Call now to bring Chainblade and the B2 Brawler into your living room. But put away the fine china. The Galactic Gladiators, only on Mega View. Call your provider now.
Chainblade, huh? I've got the coordinates. Ratchet out.
Okay. And next time, we'll go to the resorts. Space resort. It's about the home, actually. So, see you next time.